Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. I know it's pretty bad and not cringy. But anyways, I got these two lucky pets, but actually, dang it, I forgot to. But not just one, but two of these. So if you don't mind, we're gonna be unboxing these little lucky pets. I saw ccrtelevision's. Oh, actually, first off, I saw this first ever video made by OliviaLPS telling me that ccr television, aka Cecilia, wasn't happy about it. She got 2 deers and 2 giraffes, so luckily I'm not getting 2 deers and giraffes. Or anything like that. Actually, I'm gonna be pretty happy about this. Well, it's okay if you get a double. You can actually make a custom of it. I actually got 2 blind bag. Actually, Beanie Boo's got 2 blind bag ponies, and she custom them. Some of them are bad, and some of them are good. So anyway, let's get into this garbage. So the first one is this one, or actually this one. So I found these scissors. This package is in the shape of a fortune cookie. Now some of you might be asking, this stuff is bad, but I've never felt this stuff before. Oh, it feels a little bit foamy. So you crack it and then you open it and then you will have something in the future. It's like a box. Crack. Oh, it doesn't look. Oops. Sorry if my damn tripod fell off. Ooh, I got a package. A checklist. Make sure for later. Another package. Okay. Let's get to it. Let me reveal the pet. Oh! Look at this! Oh my god. I think I got a sheep. A sheep that just so happens to be purple. Why is it purple? Okay, so you can see clearly the nose is purple too. The eyes are so golden, just like my braces, but they're not, but the eyes are not shiny. Oh! What? Thanks. I think you're supposed to be turning. No. On the back, there's a yellow gemstone, like teardrop, and the ears have kind of blue. They were too lazy to put the nose on the pink. The purple lamb's supposed to have a nose. unlike the other LPS tubers who've got the Lucky Pets, I'm happy about this. I ordered this one on Amazon. They're not even all in, the Lucky Pets are not in every store except Target. Oh, on the checklist, on the fortune, it says LPS, cat 2 calendar. I'm gonna have 2 cats in the future, which my mom already has a cat. Yes. Crappy. Yes. Crappy. The second or last package I have is this one. We should open it. Yes, we should. Scissors. Oh, I didn't notice it has a back. Ha! Boom, baby! Crack the fortune. Open the freaking package. Oh. Crack. My fortune LPS! No! Okay, so finally got it. Oops. Okay, this looks like a fruit punch color, like the deer from LPS Legend of the Fairies. And it has a blue horn, which is like Trixie from My Little Pony. And it also has a bow on it. Does that mean... Crap, I forgot to open the... Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh! Charming. Double charming. I'm gonna unbox the open one off screen. Oh, finally, I've got the bow. And I opened the one that's the same thing as the cutie mark thingy. This narwhal is as big as ever as this lamb. Allow me to compare the size of it. Okay, this lamb right here looks more like a purple sheep to combining Assistant Mayor Dawn Bellwether from Zootopia with the shady ears that are referencing to Trixie from My Little Pony. And so is this unicorn horn with a little bow on its forehead. And the back on it has a little teardrop gem on it, which is a pretty good thing. And it's fuchsia pink, whatever you call it, but it has teal eyes. Okay, so, like, I guess some pets that have the thing tattoos on their little back represents their, the gems, like Steven Universe, like Garnet, Pearl, and Amethyst. Cat, calendar, LPS, 3. Oh, so I'm gonna have 3 cats instead of 2, because 3 is better than 2. So let's check out the checklist. It says that are 150 pets. Okay, here are the pets. I have Dahlia and Ursa. Like Ursa Major, Ursa Minor. Like all of these pets have them. Actually, I would like to rename them. Okay, this means 2 means the surprise and 3 means adventure. Okay, tomorrow, next week. I thought they would just... What is that? I don't understand this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna rename these LPS like the Purple Lamb, which I'm still concerned about the nose. I'll name it Opal, and this narwhal here is gonna be Pearl. So I hope you enjoy these wonderful lucky pets. Bye!